Imagine living in a place where your hangar is your garage and the runway starts at your driveway. This is Spruce Creek Airpark, the world's largest fly-in community located just outside Daytona Beach, Florida. Originally built as a Navy airfield during World War II, this one-of-a-kind community evolved into the world's largest residential fly-in neighborhood with hundreds of homes and miles of taxiways. Roughly half of these homes come with private hangars, giving residents the rare luxury of flying directly from their front door. We flew into Spruce Creek to see our friend TJ, who is a resident of this community. While we were having lunch at the on-field restaurant, we were treated to this. This is a common sight at Spruce Creek. Yes, that is a P51 Mustang parked outside a home. Driving, taxiing around Spruce Creek feels like a dream for aviators. We stopped by one of the hangars and checked out this beautiful one-of-a-kind RV. If you're a pilot, aviation enthusiast, or even a golfer, Spruce Creek is the place to be. If you are visiting Spruce Creek, make sure to review the guest arrival procedures found on their website. You will likely need an invitation from a resident. Spruce Creek is a very active airport. Use extreme caution due to high volume of air traffic in the area. To me, this is a bucket list place to visit. One day I hope to live on an airpark just like this. Till next time, see ya.